Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing some DIY lash clusters, but let's go ahead and get right into this. So this is by the brand VEYESBEAUTY, and as you can see, I got this whole lash kit. So on the back, it tells you step by step on how to apply them. When you open it up, very nice packaging. You're going to have your lashes. You're going to have your lash remover, and this is a lash bond and a seal, and then you have your tweezers. So everything you'll need to start out. Let me go ahead and see what ones these are. So these are the set Cashmere, and you can see you have two different styles. So it has a 16, 14, 12, and 10 millimeters, and you can see I like to use these for like fillers to kind of make them look fluffy, and then prior I'll go in with these just to make it look thick. But let's go ahead and get right into this and just start applying them. My hair looks crazy because I did not do anything with it today, but I really don't feel like doing anything with it today. So today I will not be using the lash remover. It is an oil-based remover, but unless you're taking off your lashes, you're not going to need it. I just like keep these in my shower and then take off my lashes in there. But you can see it's just an oil that you'll put on top, let it sit, and then after a few minutes, you'll just like rub, and then they'll just slide right off. So it keeps your lashes nice and healthy. So I'm going to do 316, 314, and we'll see how many 12 we'll need. So I'm going to start off to grab them. I just grabbed from up here. These are going to be a little harder. Sometimes they have a little grip up there. So I'm going to pick these ones up from down here. And then I'm just going to pull up. So there's two. There's 1, 2. And 3. So I'm going to start off with 3 of those. And for the lash bond, you don't always need to wear the seal. The seal is just to put on, like if your lashes are sticky when you stick them together, that's what the seal's for. It's not necessarily to seal in your lashes like a lot of people think, because I get a lot of questions on why I don't use a seal. That's why I don't use a seal, because it's not necessary unless my lashes are sticky. They do make your lashes a little hard and crunchy. So even if you do use it, you don't want to push it all the way through. So to put on the glue, I just like to keep it at the base of my lashes down there. I don't brush it all the way through. So just like that. Then I'm going to grab the lashes, hold it to where it's most like comfortable, where it's going to be comfortable to apply it. I like holding it this way. I just find that it works easy for me that way. Now for the first lash, you don't have to put glue on the back side, but after the first lash, you do want to do that so that you can slightly overlap them, and it's going to make it to where you can't see any like splits between your lashes, which I'll show you in a second. So I just go from underneath. Hold on. They were slightly sticking right there. So just like that. And then with this lash, since it is my second, I'm going to get the glue. And I'm going to place it right up here. And then you can see I'm going to slightly overlap that. Just ever so slightly. And if you don't do that, what it does is it like kind of leaves a line, and you can tell like where the lashes are individually placed. And I don't like that. I like everything to look as natural as possible. So that's why I do it this way. So let me go ahead and apply this one. Now I'm going to do 3 14s. I need some scissors. Okay, and then I'll probably just do 112 because I really don't need much more, just to fill in that little part right there. Now you could leave this as is if you wanted to, because it's not look like that. It's not like that looks bad. But I will just do 112. So just like that. And you can see my lash is slightly sticky on this side. So before I do anything else, I'm going to go behind these and I'm just going to press them to my natural lashes. And that's really going to make them last even longer. Okay, and after you have that done, you're going to take the seal and you're going to just place that at the very base of your lashes, like down here. Do not brush that all the way through, because like I said, it is going to make your lashes super sticky. So just like that. Now let me go ahead and I'm going to show you what they look like from this side. These are very beautiful lashes. Let me go ahead and just show you the tops of them. Like, you cannot tell that these are not lash extensions. And the awesome thing about these is they'll last up to 2 weeks if you really take care of them. If you know what you're doing, you wash them and everything, they can last up to that long. I would say at least a week if you're just like taking semi-good care of them. Like, you don't want to get them directly wet unless you're washing them. And I do not wash them every day. I wash them every 2 to 3 days just to get the makeup off that I get on them. Now, if you're not wearing foundation or anything like that, eyeshadows and stuff, they'll last a lot longer. But let me go ahead. I'm going to apply this eye off camera and I'll show you what it looks like once I'm done. Okay, and this is what they look like completed. I absolutely love these lashes. They're so pretty, super wispy, like very bold. I did not use any of this side, as you can see. I do have another set that I could do with these ones. Of course, they wouldn't be as long as this one because they are different lengths. And then I could use these as fillers. If you were to do that side, it would just be a very natural set. It's not going to be really like big and bold like this. And personally, I like them like this, but everybody is different. So if you're wanting more natural, I would definitely go with the other side. Or you can do what I do and just use them as fillers. But look how pretty. Those are so pretty. Definitely give these a 5 out of 5. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.